Top Tollywood actors and their qualification. Prabhash, BTech at Sri Chaitanya PU College in Hyderabad. Pawan Kalyan, Intermediate at VR College in Nelluru. Vijay Devarkonda, BCom at Badruka College of Commerce in Hyderabad. Chiranjeevi, Bachelor of Commerce at Vayan College in Narsapur. Mahesh Babu, Bachelor of Commerce at Loyola College in Chennai. Allu Arjun, BBA at MSR College in Hyderabad. Junior NTR, Intermediate at St. Mary's College in Hyderabad. Nagarjuna, MS in Automobile Engineering at Eastern Michigan University. Ram Charan, Learner School of Arts dropout. Ravi Teja, Bachelor of Arts at Siddhartha Degree College in Vijayawada. Balakrishna, Bachelor of Commerce at Nizam College in Hyderabad. Nani, Graduate at Wesley Degree College in Secunderabad. Rana Daggupati, Graduate in Industrial Photography at Chennai Film School in Chennai. Naga Chaitanya, Bachelor of Commerce at Trinity College in London. Allar Naresh, Bachelor of Commerce in Foreign Trade. Sarvanand, Bachelor of Commerce from Wesley Degree College in Secunderabad. Nitin, BTech in Hyderabad. Sai Dharmatej, BSc Biotechnology and MBA at VIT University in Nelluru. Ram Pothineni, Degree in Chennai. Nikhil, BTech at Muffaq and Jaha College of Engineering and Technology in Hyderabad. Manchu Vishnu, Bachelor Degree in Computer Science and Information Technology at Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College in Tirupati. Nagasaurya, Bachelor of Commerce at St. Mary's College in Hyderabad. Gopi Chand, Engineering in Russia. Mohan Babu, Degree in Physical Education at YMCA College in Chennai. Allu Sirish, Mass Communication in Journalism at RD National and WS Science College in Mumbai. Akhil, Theatre Arts at the Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute in West Hollywood. Srikanth, BCom at CSA College of Commerce in Dharwad, and he also got a diploma from a film institute in Hyderabad. Siddharth, Bachelor of Commerce degree from Kirori Mall College in New Delhi and MBA from SP Jain Institute of Management and Research in Mumbai. Venkatesh, MBA from the Monetary Institute of International Studies in USA. Rajnikant, Diploma in Acting at MGR Film and Television Institute in Chennai. Vikram, Graduate in English Literature and MBA in Loyola College in Chennai. Sandeep Kishan, Degree at Loyola College in Chennai. Manchu Manoj, Bachelor's Degree at Southeastern Oklahoma State University in United States. Sushant, BSc in Electrical Engineering from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, Illinois in USA. Jagapati Babu, Degree at Chaitanya College in Hyderabad. Nara Rohit, BTech in Industrial Biotechnology at Anna University in Chennai. Tarun, Degree in Multimedia Graphic course in Hyderabad. Karthikeya, BTech at NIT in Warangal. Kalyan Ram, MS at Illinois Institute of Technology in Chicago. Raj Shekhar, MBBS in Chennai. Bellamkonda Srinivas, Degree in Acting course at Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute in Los Angeles. Varun Sandesh, Engineering in New Jersey. Raj Taru, Engineering in Visakhapatnam. Surya, BCom from Loyola College in Chennai. Kamal Hassan, school dropout from Hindu Higher Secondary School in Chennai. Arjun, BSc at MGR Film and Television Institute of Tamil Nadu in Chennai. Vijay, BSc Visual Communications at Loyola College in Chennai. Dhanush, BCA correspondent at Madhuraj Kamraj University in Madurai. Ajit Kumar, 10th Ashan Memorial Senior Secondary School in Chennai. Upendra, BCom at APS College of Commerce in Bangalore. Karthi, BTech in Mechanical Engineering at Crescent Engineering College in Chennai. Adi Pinisetti, BE in Computer Science at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in Chennai. Raja Gautam, BBA graduate at St. Mary's College in Hyderabad. Adi, degree at Bhavnas Vivekananda College in Hyderabad. Varun Tej, BTech in Hyderabad. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. For more updates, click on the bell icon.